Sanbanani dumelang absheni, hello. That's how I'd like to greet you, saying welcome to our show. There are many ways to greet when people call, but a smile is still the greatest greeting of them all. Sanbanani, that is Zulu, dumelang is to friends, absheni is donga. In English, that's right, we say hello. Sanbanani, dumelang that's how I like to greet you, saying welcome to. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I know I've been MIA, but that is never ever intentional. I'm back at home and I've been home for like I think 3 weeks now. Is it 3 weeks? Yeah, 3 weeks, because next week is the 4th week. Yeah, so yeah, I'm back at home. Mtata, internet access is not necessarily something that I have this side. Going to town is just an effort, so yeah. So in today's video we'll be doing a eyebrow tutorial. I know I'm not an expert when it comes to, I'm not very good with eyebrows. We all know that. It's been very clear. But yeah, it's just something that I want to try out because I saw it from Cynthia Kwebu. I tried it out yesterday with one brow, this one. So I'm going to be using eyeshadow to make my brow, guys. I'll be doing this using the, ooh, it's dirty. Oh, wow, immaculate. But yeah, I'll be using the Slay for Days matte palette by Switch Beauty. I've had this for a while now. You can see it's dirty. Dirty. I'll be using this shade. This is the shade I used yesterday. Yeah, hey, I think so. This is the shade I was using yesterday. Can you see it? Yeah, this is the shade I was using yesterday to do the brow. I'm hoping it'll come out better today. First things first, I will always brush up my brows. I'm gonna be using this mirror to help me out because I'm moon. So first things first, I use my brush bow, a spoolie. I think it's a spoolie. I'll be using this one to brush up my brows because mine do not believe in behaving at all. Then I use the Essence Lash and Brow Gel Mascara. I use it for my brows. I don't use it for my lashes. Can't do that. Take my Slay for Days palette by Switch Beauty, and then dip into this. I don't have an angled. You're supposed to use an angled brush for lendo, because that will make your brow shape better. Like it'll help you better, but I don't have an angled brush. Not sure if you guys can see what I'm doing, but hopefully you can. to do my brows. I don't know, they look a bit weird to me. But anyways, but you get the gist of what I'm trying to do now. This is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys really like it. The most important thing for me is that a brow looks like it's your brow. What I mean by that is you can clearly see, wow, I naturally don't have brows, but like my brows are not like this, but it must still look like they're like this. How? By making sure that people can see the gaps. Then really, guys, can't have an all black brow, eh? So this is the final look that I came up with when it comes to my brows. I love brows that are closer to natural. You can see in the front. Okay, I don't think you guys can see that, but here in the front you can see, well, I do have lots of hair growing there, but closer to the ends of my brows, I don't have that. And well, I have to create the hairs myself, and that's the most important thing for a natural brow, guys. We must see hairs that are not there. Tell me what other videos you guys would like to see that maybe involve makeup or maybe don't. Please don't forget to click like, it's the thumbs up. Yeah, click that, and yeah, tell me in the comments what you thought or what you'd like to see. There are absolutely more videos coming. What am I missing? Am I missing anything? No. So yeah, if you'd like to join my family, my subscriber family, and get notifications every time I post a video, then click on the subscribe button, and don't forget to click on the bell icon that will pop up as soon as you subscribe. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys have an amazing day. Have a lovely week, and I'll see you again with the next video.